This 2022 Forest River XLR Boost 25LRLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 28 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 6 and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River XLR Boost 25LRLE is 5,822 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.